So today it seems I'm posting a lot more than usual. I know, it's like Christmas in July around here. I've got so much stuff that has been shipped because I knew we'd kind of be settled in, and so anyways, I've had a lot of shipments, and today I needed to wash my hair, so I couldn't stagger. I guess I could have staggered my posts, but anyways, I got a package and I'm so excited for it. So I actually, I didn't used to dry my hair much, but then a couple of years ago, I started doing the curly girl method and I started diffusing my hair so that my curls are bouncier. So I started using my hair dryer more, and right before we left, I kid you not, about a day or so before we left, it may have even been the day of, I can't remember now, it's been so long since we left New York, it died, like it just broke. So I actually had to get a new one. So it came and I am going to open it and see how it works. And those of you who are curly girls out there, you'll have to tell me what you do for your hair. I've actually been thinking about doing a, I don't know what you want to call it, tutorial, or just show you guys how I do my hair. I haven't posted much about my curly hair journey recently. Ah! Here is, they really did not want that to break in transit. Let's open this up. Anyway, so I've been thinking about showing you guys how I do my curly hair. It's been a long time since I've done it. I still use a really simple method. And so today I was thinking of maybe showing you the last step that I do, depending on how long the video turns out being, because I don't want to bore you. And I know it's kind of evening time, kind of getting ready close to dinner. We went swimming today. We finally are done with our quarantine. When we got to, when we left West Point, we had a recommended quarantine time that we had to do here. Finished it, so we celebrated going to the pool, and so I had to wash my hair. And now I'm trying to open this up. The wrapping is done really well. So, I should have brought some scissors with me. Hey Heidi, hey Christy, hey Glenda, it's good to see you guys. I see you guys had a new dog, Christy. That's so exciting. I can't wait to show Odette. She's gonna be so excited. Were you guys? All right, let's see here. Is that loud? It sounds loud to me. Hey Glenda, how's your foot doing, Glenda? Is your foot doing any better? All right, here's the Black Orchid hair diffuser. This is actually what allows the curls to stay intact. This is the dryer. So let's see if we can get to this. It's taking forever. Oh my. I haven't had a new dryer, like I said, in years. It's been about 21 years, I think. In college is when I got the hairdryer. Still in a lot of pain. Oh my gosh, how many times a day a week? Is it like 3 days a week that you're doing PT? I think I'd read that on your post. Anyway, so I also do, I'm in this curly girls group. That's really loud. And so when my hairdryer died, I went into my group and I researched hair dryers 3 days a week. That's gotta be hard. I can't even imagine. Is the PT helping at all? How many times have you done it so far, Glenda? So in my curly girls group, I searched to see when or what hair dryers people recommend. And this was that beautiful packaging. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This was an affordable option that a lot of people said was a really good hair dryer that wouldn't, hey Rapika, that wouldn't break the bank. So I went on Amazon and I found this, and so let's see how I open this. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this is pretty. And so it's the Xtava Pro hair dryer. I think when I read the Amazon description, it said it was a salon quality. Wow. Ooh. Oh, it was just the silica gel that fell. Wow, look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. That is very pretty. And here are my instructions, which I probably won't read right now. Because I think I know how to use a hairdryer. So hopefully it's just as easy as plugging it in and using it. I've never known what this is for. If one of you can comment and tell me what this is for, I'd really like to know. Is this for straightening hair? Because I don't know. I had one with my other hair dryer and I never used it. Have no idea. So, all right. So there's the hair dryer. And let me open this diffuser. The Black Orchid diffuser, and I've heard nothing but great things about it. All right, it's got a little tape there that I gotta open up. Okay. Ooh. How many of you are curly girls out there and know what a diffuser is? I actually did not know what a diffuser was until one of my sister's friends showed me. She always had such curly hair, and at the time, that was loud. At the time, I still preferred straight hair, so she showed me what it was and how to use one, and I finally got one. This is much bigger and nicer than the one that I had before. I'm so excited to use this. So I don't know if any of you can see. When you're straightening your hair, Glenda, okay, that makes sense. Oh, Rapika, so your sister so she does hair? That's really cool. So this one, curly girls probably know what it is. So it has these little fingers and they have these little holes in them to allow the air to, I don't know, blow better on your curls and not flatten it out. So let's see about sticking this on here. I assume you just click it in because that's what my other one did. That seems to fit in snugly. Oh! Maybe I should read those instructions because that kind of fell out. Maybe I have to click it in because there's like little grooves inside. Let's try it a little bit more this time. I don't want to break it though. I should read instructions maybe. All right, let's see here. There was a tiny little card in here, but it didn't say anything about how to put this on. It says, through thick and thin, curly or straight, we're here for you. Enjoy our 2-year warranty. Okay. All right, well, that doesn't help me with this. It seems like it'll stay on, so let's try this thing out and see how it is. Usually when I blow dry or diffuse my hair, it's not really blow drying. When I diffuse my hair, it actually only takes me about 8 minutes to get it to the dryness that allows my curls to stay bouncy. And I haven't done that with my hair, gosh, for over a month because my hair dryer, like I said, it broke right before we moved. Well, actually right before they took all of our stuff. And then we were without without anything for, 10 days in West Point, and then traveling, and then we've been without stuff here. So, all right, let's plug this in and see what it's like. Okay. Cool. All right. So now that that's done, let me show you real quick. All right. So I usually leave my hair in a microfiber towel. This is my 𝗺𝗍𝘢 towel. I love my 𝗺𝗍𝘢. I leave it in the towel for about an hour. Today I left it a little bit longer, and then I'm almost out of this. I have to get some more, but this is what I use. So I am just going to show you real quick. Hopefully this diffuser works amazing. And all I do is I just get some of that gel, and I do this with my hair. I don't even know what the terms are. I'm sure those of you who use gel, have used gel, have curly hair, might understand. But here we go. And a little bit more. And then let's see how curly this orchid diffuser can get my hair. My hair's gotten really long. And sometimes when I do this hair flip thing, I accidentally hit people, so they have to be out of my way. Meaning my husband, because my kids usually aren't around when I'm fixing the hair. All right, let's see here. One more of this gel. And I usually put about this much gel in it every time I do it. This is just my method. I'll show you guys my whole method one day, but today I'm just going to show you this with the dryer and see how it works out. All right, so for curly hair, yes, I scrunch it into the hair. All right, so for curly hair, you're not supposed to have it on high. The temperature should be at a medium temperature. So let's see, I think it's high, medium, and cold. So we're gonna leave it. This hair dryer doesn't really have words the way my other ones have in the past. So I'm going to assume that this is high power, and then this is, or high temperature, medium, and cold. So we're gonna try that, and then I'm gonna do it, I don't know, I wonder what this is. There's a little button here too. I don't know what that's for. Okay, all right, let's try this. So far, so good. It's staying on. hot in here. Anybody out there ever use one of these to curl your hair? A couple of years ago. My curls definitely feel bouncier, which is really nice. I haven't had bouncy curls in over a month. Got hot in here. Let's see how long. Let's see, 2, 5. I only did this for 5 minutes. My first assessment is I love it. I definitely feel more bounce on my curls. Usually I go for another 3 minutes to get a little bit more of that of my hair dry. But you know, gel usually makes your hair like crunchy, but after you apply the gel and you dry with a diffuser, it actually leaves your curls really soft. I will have to show you guys how I do my pineapple at night to keep my curls intact, but I definitely love it. If you have curly hair and haven't tried diffusing, you should try it. I've been doing it for 2.5 years now, and I really like the way my curls are so much softer now than crunchy, because all I use in my hair is conditioner and gel. That's it. 2 products and my hair feels so much healthier. Thank you, 𝗵𝗶𝗿. I feel it feels so much nicer too. I used to use the gel when I was in high school and even middle school. I used to do mousse, gel, and hairspray. Yes, it's very bouncy. The diffuser allows more airflow and it leaves your curls more bouncy. So it's really beautiful. Highly, highly recommend this. As a, like I said, in high school, middle school, I used to do gel and then, no, I do mousse first and then gel, and then hairspray. And I really liked the crunchy wet look. But now that I'm older, well, once I actually met my husband, and I wanted him to be able to touch my hair, but before I learned this method, so it was what, 2.5 years ago, before I started doing this method, anytime I washed my hair, and I do it like every other day, I'd be like, don't touch my hair. Nobody touched my hair as soon as it was done. So this, people can touch it, and it's bouncy and it's fun. Yeah, so there you go. My review, I guess I could have said it was a review, of the Xtava, I don't know if that's how you say it, of the Xtava hair dryer and Orchid diffuser. It really worked. I think I might read those instructions anyways, just so that I make sure that I was using it correctly, because I think I may have had it on too high of a setting because it really felt hot on my head. So I'll have to check that out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. I feel so much better having bouncy curls. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we're about to go have dinner. So again, this thing works. If you even have any sort of diffuser at home, definitely try it with your curls. For you curly girls out there, it works really well, and I love it. There you have it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, right? No, Thursday. Today's Thursday. Have a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.